Welcome to today's podcast, where we explore the intersection of technology, supply chain transformation, and innovation in India's digital growth story. I am joined by Dr. Rupesh Kumar Singh, a leader whose career spans research, manufacturing, and digital transformation across some of the most complex and fast evolving industries. He's worked at the intersection of technology, policy, and business strategy, driving initiatives that bridge innovation with real world impact. I'm especially excited about this conversation with Dr. Rupesh, since his work offers a unique lens on how India can scale smarter, more sustainable, and more competitive systems for the future. So let's dive right in. Sir, your career spans industry, consulting, and technology leadership, backed by a strong academic foundation. What first inspired your journey into this space, and how has that multidisciplinary perspective shaped your approach to driving transformation today?
See, if I talk about myself, I never thought that the career will go in this way, I will work in multidisciplinary. But one thing was prominent, that was I was very curious. Child within me was alive till date. I started my career with Tata Steel, that is a manufacturing. That gave me a complete sense how industry work. And after that, I jumped to consulting. But that time I was in junior level, right? Only I used to find how I'll solve the problem by IT. Even I had industry knowledge from Tata Steel, manufacturing industry knowledge. After moving to consulting, how I'll solve the problem. But later, again, after that, I joined IT company. That got sharpened. After that, again, consulting. Throughout this journey, this multidisciplinary which you are talking about, that gave me sense what kind of real challenge is still there. Even IT is getting evolved, right? People are saying when you are in ERP, even you are implementing IT system, it is getting evolved. But what I realized from last 24 years, it doesn't get involved. It got transformed. Because till the time you are not doing transformation, just you are converting your edges to 2B. Earlier you were doing manual, the same thing you are doing by digitally.
Yes.
But that is not solving the problem. That kind of research, thought process, being in different industry, or being after overall in consulting industry for the last couple of years, that helped me to think how to be in the shoes of industry, how you can help industry to optimize their processes, how you are going to help them by optimizing the process, generating revenue. Every business wants to be profitable. I think these are the things help me to be a better consultant, gaining trust of the customer. Yeah.
Right. So you've led SAP-driven transformation for some of India's largest industries. From your perspective, how are business strategy and technology implementation aligning, or are they diverging today?
See, if you'll ask me today, strategy and the technology are same part of the same thread. Earlier, the strategy and technology used to go parallel, or sometime first the strategy is to get defined, after that technology will follow. Now the era totally changed. Way the whole IT or tools are getting evolving day by day. Sometime whole IT strategy, IT-driven strategy is getting defined. Because say for example, some company will say currently their turnover is 5,000 crore, and they will say in the next 5 years, I want to be 50,000 crore, right? How this whole transformation will happen in 5 days? Definitely you need IT, you need strategy. You can't say I decided the strategy, now you implement any IT system or things will happen. For this, definitely whole supply chain, how your IT strategy will be, because you are going from 5,000 crore to 50,000 crore. How the workforce will be, what kind of offices you need, in which location across the world you need an office, right? And what kind of challenges you will face, because say for example, Tata Steel, we are sitting in the steel city of India, right? What happened when in 2000, I think 903 or 907, when this got founded, right? Jamshedji and Sarmaji Tata did a lot of work. He sent some go and see in India where really raw material you will get. Someone said where better infrastructure we will get, where you will get that kind of place, right? That kind of network or supply chain is required. This is where the currently, if you want to go to 5,000 crore to 50,000 crore, that kind of ecosystem where IT and strategy both will together, which will help our industry or industry who are facing challenge. You want to optimize, right? You want to create job, you want to create knowledge. That will go parallel and that will help.
So, sir, building upon this idea of transformation, in your experience with steel, industrial, and manufacturing clients, what is the biggest success factor when translating operational complexity into a digital roadmap?
See, just think when this whole digital era was not there, all of the process or manufacturing process or whole supply chain process got built by a human, right? Human mindset and the manual thing. And people are so adapted from the decades. Now you are going to say, I am going to do miracle, I am going to implement ERP or any IT system. First, they will not believe. Even we cross that era. We make them convinced how it is going to change. It took time. People are convinced once you are implementing IT or ERP, things will change. Processes are getting optimized. But there's still new complexities, right? Even they will go in the field of medical. Doctors are there. They studied 8 years, 6 years, the study is going on. There's still new diseases are coming, right? They need to study. The same way in this whole manufacturing domain or any service industry, processes got implemented,
Constantly
but
evolving.
optimization is required day by day because those processes are changing, because new things are coming, new qualities are coming, new products are coming.
Right.
So that is a major challenge, how you are moving from human-centric processes to digital-centric process and same time making balance between human and machine.
Right. So you've created EY India's SAP Center of Excellence. What were the top 3 principles established to make it scalable and relevant across India, APAC, and MENA?
See, generally I was talking about in the panel, when you talk about the COE, first thing any IT guy will say, okay, you are going to develop a product, right?
Right.
But developing product is not a solution. How that product is getting aligned with the proper research. What kind of challenges are there in the market where any manufacturing or any service industry or customer-centric industries are facing, right? The challenges are there. How you are going to research, how you are going to inbuild that thing in your product, and how you are bringing this whole optimization, human-centric approach, putting empathy, even the product you are developing. First thing, that product came, now we are going to lose job. Like currently we are talking like because of the AI, people are going to lose job. Person like me will not believe. Maybe some disruption will be there, we are losing job, but same time it is creating new opportunities. What will be the scalability of this whole thing? No one knows.
Yeah.
It is very difficult to quantify. Even you will quantify, people will say, this is what? Again, you will search in the chat GPT, this is this, right? So it is very new thing getting evolved. But within COE, how focused you are, whatever product you are developing, what kind of research you did, that is aligned with the market needs or not, that is aligned with the existing processes which are facing challenges or not. Again, you move N plus or not, because lot of products are there in market. What are the challenge? Even products are there, why those problems are not getting solved? Because humans are different. People who are using the tool had different mindset.
Right.
Those things need to get implemented. The product you are developing, the empathetic approach, and human and IT, how you are getting, to make the balance, that creates the future of the product and acceptability of the product. Right?
So, building on your multidisciplinary experience, you've seen both sides of the coin, the client side with Tata Steel, as well as the consulting side with PwC and EY. how do these organizations strike the right balance between process readiness and technology ambition?
Yeah, interesting question. See, if you talk about my manufacturing experience or research experience, that helped me to get a sense of operational excellence. How, if you talk about the slogan of even we are talking about the Tata Steel or Tata Steel run by the processes, not by the person, right? Currently, a lot of startups are there. You are creating startup, or I am creating. I am owner of it. I'm saying, hey, you joined today, I am firing someone tomorrow, right? That can happen. But if you talk about the Tata Steel, is it going to happen? It is not going to happen. There is a process. If you say that guy is not good, that should be proper document. There should be certain process where it will get evaluated. It is ethical or not. Ethics will come in picture, right? Ethics, quality, finance, human resource. So all ecosystem is there to protect you.
Correct.
Protect your interest, protect your knowledge, protect your loyalty, right?
Correct.
So that is what the operational excellence comes in picture, which Tata Steel taught me, or manufacturing domain taught me. After that, I moved to consulting, then IT. Then consulting taught me how to be in the customer's shoes. Because I was in these shoes, it was easy for me to understand what kind of challenges any manufacturing guy or wherever I am implementing or doing transformation journey, what problem they are facing.
Right.
So that helped me to understand the pain. That's the reason I got a lot of success, because I was talking in terms of customer. Even I am in consultant side, because I was empathical towards that. Yes, this is going to happen. And before they say, I used to say. That gave me edge.
Yeah.
The consulting, it helped me to give the proper shape to that engagement for the particular transformation. So I'll say, nutshell, that manufacturing gave me the operational excellence, and consulting, that gave me the strategy and vision, how it can be done, and that created success.
Right. So, sir, we'll take a slight shift towards growth and go-to-market leadership. So, in the last 2 years, you have achieved huge growth and capacity creation in high-value projects. What are the strategic levers behind that acceleration? Is it people, partnerships, positioning, or something else?
See, whenever this kind of changes happen, it's kind of change management we are talking in nutshell, right? This can't happen if you'll call up, make the mix of, if you will not marry the processes, people, situation, position, all things are combined. Otherwise, say for example, even in your family, you have 10 guys, your mother, father, grandparents, kids. You will see changes in the thought process. Goal may be same, but you may have a different process because you studied, you got a lot of
Everyone's
studies,
experiences are different.
but your parents, even your grandfather, they haven't gone several places, but they have a lot of experience, right, of decades. They've seen the 3 generations, how things move.
Right.
That you can't ignore. But same time, making all people in the same platform is difficult. This is where the roles come, where you need to stitch between the people, processes, and the strategy, and convince them so that they should feel, yes, this is my project, this is my process, and I need to lead with the conviction, right? The day it will come, you will not find any challenge. Even you are convinced, but same time if you are going to a customer, again they have a different mindset. They will think you are a consultant and your job is to earn money only. Somehow you need to finish the project. And what will happen after that? You will go. Then how you are giving trust to them, and you will be able to give trust when your processes, people, and strategy both are in sync, and there should be only single throat to choke, right? When you are going, you are talking the same term. Your consultant is going, they are talking the same term. Even the coder, they are talking the same term, and that the time they will understand the value, the moral of the story, same throat to choke.
Makes sense. Yeah. So, sir, in the consulting space, the go-to-market strategy is often about translating capability into value, right? So, how do you differentiate EY's SAP practice in such a competitive landscape?
So again, I'm talking about, if you talk about EY, we never believe, I belong to tech consulting, we never believe in implementing ERP or implementing any other IT system. We always believe it is a transformation journey. That's the reason whenever we go, only IT people never go to the customer. We go with the SMEs. Those SME has no knowledge of the ERP. They will not talk about the ERP. They will talk about the processes. Say, for example, I am coming in the steel industry. The initial discussion when the requirement gathering is going on, how you want to transform. Maybe some of the people say implementation for sake of saying. For us, it is a transformation. And those guys will first talk about the leading practices in the steel industry. And they will talk in same term because they are industrial guys. They expended decades in this steel industry, and same time we have own steel center of excellence, right?
Yeah.
Where the research is also going. We're keeping eye on across the world. What is new things are happening in the steel industry? What are the new processes are coming? What are the new challenges are coming? Based on that, when two stakeholders from the customer side and EY side both are sitting, they are sharing the same platform because point of views are same. And after that, we say this is what we transform XYZ places, right? And we have our own repository, a process repository which EY only has. And after that, IT guy like me comes in picture. Definitely, I will part of the discussion, hearing carefully. And same time, my mind is, oh, this is the process. How it can get mapped to SAP or ERP. That processes are not there. How that thought. After that, they are in same platform, both the process guy. That become as is for me. That is what we need to make the changes in the system so that win-win for both. Right. This is how we say it is a transformation. It's a very different from any IT company. And till now, touch wood, we are getting success.
Right. So let us now look at the India's digital landscape and the industrial future. So we often tend to connect India's digital journey with national growth narratives. Where do you see the next wave of digital value creation coming from? Is it manufacturing, public infrastructure, or AI-enabled services?
See, if you talk about India digital journey, we are pioneer across the world after this UPI came in picture. Earlier, if you talk about that Visa or you talk about other payment method, PayPal, etc., they were pioneer in this world and they were ruling. But after this UPI thing came in picture, that get proven in the forum of this world, like India is pioneer in digital journey, right? But same time, our industry or the people, all are connected. I am saying there's a one thread, and somehow both are part of the same thread. It go on and on. It's not parallel. It's part of same thread. Just think. Even I given the example of this UPI. Human-centric things are main important thing. Just you go to the vegetable market, that guy is getting not used to this UPI thing.
UPI.
Money is directly going to his bank. Just think acceptability, right? That was a major challenge. And that challenge today is also there. Tomorrow also will be maybe in different shape. That till the time this technology will not marry with the human thing, no success will come. So overall, if you talk about the digital journey, that need to go on same thread, not parallel, together.
Yeah. So your career has transitioned from the tech industry to consulting to becoming a partner level leader. What mindsets or habit helped you most to scale that journey?
Again, I'll come to the first answer which I gave to you. That is the curiosity. The child within me is still alive. I believe that is playing main role whenever new things comes. So I get curious. What is it? Then how it happened? Why it happened? And that create scenario when sometime I get challenged because new things are there. I'll go to office in the morning and I'll come all my directors and managers. Hey, I have one challenge statement. Let's discuss. So when you're doing that, maybe I got, but same time you are creating sense of habit. If I have one new challenge, that will get welcomed, right? That will get discussed, that will get debated. So you are creating an environment where all will feel part of it. And somehow, maybe out of 10, one got deeply discussed and you got some solution, something which can benefit employee, which can benefit your customer. And you will feel each and everyone is involved. They think, hey, it is my product. I was part of this foundation. I was part of this creation. So that is the main success, I believe, which helped me to grow till date. And again, I'm nothing in front, if my team is not with me.
Right.
I can't say today I'm sitting here because the team which I am working, they are much more capable than me, right? They are really trusting whatever I'm doing for the end goal. End goal, my customer should be happy. My customer should get the ROI for which they invested. My customer are achieving the KPIs which we set before starting this project. And we are completing our project on time.
Right.
So that value addition to the customer, same time we are also adding value to our portfolio in terms of knowledge, in terms of revenue, in terms of the new project we are getting in the market.
Right. So last question, to transition from your professional career to your personal life. Outside work, you describe yourself as a marathon runner and poet. Do these pursuits influence your leadership style or problem-solving approach?
Certainly it is. I believe my marathon journey or running journey is giving me the sense of comfort, which says consistency is the key. And running fast or sprint is not a long time sustenance journey. So in the work life also, in the personal life also, so that helps me to give focus how I should be concentrated on the single thing, or concentrated and focus towards the goal, and same time continuity, conviction. These are the things which help me to pursue my professional journey. That always, whenever challenges, you are in this professional world, challenges will be there. Again, you have a revenue target, you have a GTM target, again you have people target, you have a risk or finance, all things are there. Challenges are part and parcel of your life. But at that time, I also feel low sometime, but that helps me, hey, you are a marathoner. It's about endurance. It's about sustenance. It's about your consistency. Continue. Ups and downs will happen. When you are running marathon, you'll get tired. Say, I will not able to run. But your mind will say, but your heart will say, no, you need to, right?
Yeah.
And this is all the success. As far as the poetry is concerned, I'll say this always give me the empathetical angle of my side. That always force me to think empathetical towards the society, towards the people, and same time maybe myself, which I'm not able to convey in a different way, it is coming in the shape of poetry, right?
Right.
So I'll say that running is giving me the value, and poetry is giving me the purpose to sustain in this professional
That's a nice way
journey.
of putting it. Yeah. Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. It has been a real privilege having you on today. Your journey and insights have been truly inspiring, offering so many valuable takeaways. We really appreciate your time and the wisdom you shared of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.